Welcome to Chris Cook for YouTube. Tonight I'm going to be doing something that's fast and real easy to do. We're going to be doing cinnamon twists. Now, one of the places that I know cinnamon twist is actually sold is at your Taco Bell. They're famous for the cinnamon twist, but you can make your own. This is wheat twist. I want you to look at the label in case you get ready to buy it. One of the places I know you can buy it at is your Walmart online. I don't know about it in the store, but I do know that they sell it at Walmart online and they sell it at other places as well. You're going to need the wheat twist, you're going to need sugar, and you're going to need cinnamon. Now, for every 3 parts of sugar, which is 1/4. This is 1/4 cup each, so it works out to be 3/4 cups of sugar. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. So you want to put that in a plastic bag because this is what you're going to toss your wheat twist or your cinnamon twist in. But I also want you to look at something else. I want you to see the rotini pasta. And the reason for that is because the rotini pasta and the wheat twist, even though they look similar, they are not the same. They're not the same. The rotini pasta, if you cook that in oil, it is going to burn, which is the way you're going to cook the wheat twist. Now, if you cook the wheat twist in oil, the only thing it's going to do is expand because it's a dessert. It's something that you can serve for your children, or if you want a fast sweet, this is what you would use. So I'm going to heat my oil and I'm going to take you to the deep fat fryer so we can go ahead and cook up these delicious wheat twists. Real fast, real easy, but I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, now I'm at the deep fat fryer, so I'm going to add a few to this side. And I'm going to add a few to that side. And you don't want to add too many because they're going to puff up. So I'm going to put these down into the grease. And it takes about a minute and a half. It probably don't even take that long for them to puff up. And they're going to rise to the top. But when they first rise, still let them cook just a little bit longer. See? Okay. Now you want to leave them down in this cooking oil for an extra 15, probably 15 seconds because they're actually still cooking. Even though they have this pretty color on it, they're still cooking just a little bit. So then you want to take them up and allow them to drain. Now, I want to show you that I mixed my 3 parts of, as you can see it, my 3 parts of sugar with my 3 parts of cinnamon. So it's 1/4 cup of sugar for every 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Okay? So I have that. Now, this is ready. So I'm going to dump this on my baking sheet that I have sitting right here. And I'm going to fry up some more. So I just want to show you, this is still hot. So, hear that? How it cracked? I'm not trying to get a hot one. See? Let's try this. See? Okay. So there you have it. I'm going to continue to fry these up. And when I get them done, I'll show you how we're going to coat it with the cinnamon and the sugar. Be right back. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these over inside of the cinnamon sugar. And I mean, you can sprinkle yours on if you want. I just found that it would be easier for me to do it this way. And it's a quick snack. As you can see, it took about 2 minutes altogether. Then I put it down on a paper towel so it could drain. It doesn't drain a lot. Okay, it just drains a little. Okay. So that's about enough. And then you're going to seal your bag back up. And you're going to shake it. Okay. And you don't have to shake it a lot. And then you're going to take them back out. I had these plastic gloves on. A little bit hard. Now, if this is too much cinnamon for you, just put it in something, shake a little bit off, but that's not necessary. Okay? That's the way the snack is supposed to look. And it's real good. If you've ever had these from Taco Bell, you would truly, truly enjoy them. These are really good. And I don't want you to confuse it. Please don't get it confused, because so many people do. They get it confused with it just being the pasta. And it's not pasta. Okay? Now you don't have to, if you're not a lover of a lot of cinnamon, you can lower the amount of cinnamon that you're actually using on these. But if you do, like cinnamon, which this is perfect for me and my family. If you like cinnamon, then you can use it. And in that one bag, you probably have about 3 servings. You can probably do this 3 times. So we're going to do the same thing with the few that's left. And it's just puff, so, but it's real good. I enjoy it. Okay, so you're gonna seal your bag back up. And then you're gonna shake that. Now, you can reuse this cinnamon, so don't throw it away. So the next time you get ready to make this, you can reuse the cinnamon. Now this was a quick, fast video for something. If you got a sweet tooth, this is the way to go. And it tastes exactly like the ones that you get at Taco Bell. So there you have it. Chris is making cinnamon twists. Real fast, real easy, but yet real good. It's something that you could use to give your kids a quick snack, especially during holiday time when you don't feel like, doing this or you're doing something else. This is a real quick snack for them that they are truly going to enjoy. So give this recipe a try. I know you're going to truly enjoy it. And as always, thank you for watching Chris Cook for You Too. Bye.